Welcome back to my vlog. I'm walking up a hill and I got Dan with me again. Say hi, Dan.
Hi vlog, how's it going?
We're at Lulworth, which is right near where I live. Dan's come down to visit me for the day, really just because he wanted to get my footage off me. Yeah, it's sunset. So we're walking over the hill to Durdle Door to film the sunset. Dan's got his Hasselblad with him, so he's going to take some lovely film pictures.
Hopefully.
So probably when you're seeing this, they'll be developed, so I can probably show you them if he lets me, because I gave him my footage.
Yeah, I think that's fair.
Yeah, this is a very steep hill, but it's beautiful. There's like 7 liners around Weymouth at the moment, so yeah, ships in the distance. It's going to be beautiful. So yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy while we work really hard to get up this hill. It's good to see you again as well. Thanks for joining me. If you're not subscribed, you probably should be. And there's a little bell icon that you can ring. I forgot to mention as well that I'm predominantly shooting with this, my X-T4 and the Atomos Ninja 5. It's my first time shooting with this setup. I used to shoot with the Ninja on my GH5, so I'm really keen to see how it looks on this. And I'm really out of breath. Alright, that's all. The next time you see me, it'll be gorgeous sunlight. That's it now. Bye bye. Update. Long lens. Sun is just coming down. Oh, and the Hasselblad. This face tracking thing is so annoying. Sun is just creeping down. It's tasty. Right, we're just stopping here. Oh, look at that sun. Dan's going to take a picture on his Hasselblad. Nice film picture. So we'll see how that turns out. Sunset. Probably a little bit too bright that way. Let's go this way. Just gorgeous. Dan's been shooting some photos on his Hasselblad, and I really like this setup. The X-T4 stabilization is actually incredible. I had the 70-200 on here, and even at 200, steady as a rock. And it looks delicious. And thankfully we had a lovely sunset as well. Probably can't see that. It's very bright. But that way, look at the clouds. Beautiful. Anyway, we're going to keep shooting. Enjoy the moment. Hey Dan?
We're enjoying the moment.
It is hard when you're trying to video stuff, capture light that's going away, pretty much. That's what we're doing. It's quite hard to stop and just look and enjoy. So that's what I'm going to do for like 10 seconds right now, and then I'm going to keep shooting. Okay. Alright, back to it. Alright, bye. 6 at the moment. We've just driven down in the van back to Lulworth, ready to shoot some sunset. Sunset? Ready to shoot some sunrise. Sunset was yesterday. Not sure where we're going to go yet, but there's a few other photographers around, so maybe we'll see where they go. Alright, we made it. Spotted a place. I mean, I've seen some people come up here before, budding photographers, so I thought, try it. And it's going to be a bit of a sketchy walk down. But look at that. Back down now. It's very cold and the sun hasn't really done much. It's kind of become like daylight colours now and we're really cold, so we're going to go back down and then kind of decide what we're going to do next. I vote coffee. Problem is, it's not even 7 and it's bank holiday. Hopefully we don't die going down this hill because it was quite steep. Putting all this stuff away. Have you done it already?
I'm on it, mate.
Jesus. Alright, we're going. Quite safely, went quite well. Now we're waiting outside a shop for it to open so that we can buy some bacon. Because after you get up early, there's nothing better to look forward to than food and coffee. 3 minutes to wait until the shop opens, apparently.
And edit some more vlog.
Yeah, then we're going to go back and do some editing. Because I haven't finished my last vlog yet. The work is piling up.
Yeah.
Bit of a lengthy one. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I'll put the link up.
I was in that too.
Dan was in that too.
I'm in them all.
Bit of a tag along. Alright, see you later. Hi, welcome to my office / living / bedroom room. For some reason I stopped vlogging after I went in the shop. I think Dan and I were probably too excited to get back and look at all the footage and just completely forgot about it. So here I am, about 3 weeks later, trying to finish this video. Initially I hadn't even intended to vlog this little trip. I mainly just was shooting to help Dan out on a video that he was making, but we'll come back to that. Anyway, luckily I had my Osmo with me and I just started vlogging, and I'm really glad I did because this footage looks really great and it would be a shame to waste. Everyone always raves about Fuji and how nice their colours are, and I have to agree, but there's something about the combination of my X-T4 and the Ninja V, or 5, depending on how you say it, that just yields an incredibly nice image, super clean. I absolutely love it. Since shooting this vlog, I've actually shot a couple of professional jobs with this setup, and it's been a dream to use. Although I am rapidly running out of hard drive space because I got big files. But it's just such a pleasure to use and really easy to grade the footage. You can push and pull the image and really get it looking how you want it to look pretty easily. That's probably why this vlog has taken so long, because I keep going back and just watching it over and over again. Speaking of which, if you enjoyed the B-roll, you can see it all over again on Dan's new YouTube channel. He uploaded his first YouTube video yesterday, talking about his first film camera, his dad's Canon A1, and I know he would love it a lot if you went over and checked that out. His video from this trip up at Durdle Door hasn't yet been posted at the time of recording this, but if you're watching this in the future, you may be in luck. So head on over, subscribe to his channel, check out his videos, and tell him Joe sent you. I also felt it was important to finish this video because it may well be the last video in 2020 that features the van, the bay, the old girl, the rusty van. And yes, she is a girl now, and she has a name, and it's Georgia. There you go, big reveal. I was stuck for a name for so long, and I just thought, eventually it will come to me. Eventually came to the name Georgia because her paint is Savannah beige,
and Savannah, Georgia. I actually went to Savannah for a couple of days on a road trip a few years ago. I love the place. So it all kind of just joined up in my head. Yeah, that's how we came to that. So there you have it, Georgia the T2. Sadly though, she will be going into storage pretty soon to keep her nice and warm and dry over the winter months, but she will be back out in spring, ready to go on all sorts of adventures, maybe even Europe, if this whole pandemic thing has sorted itself out at all. Well, I guess that's it. Apologies for the unorthodox ending. I must have just forgotten how to vlog for a moment there. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be back soon with some more videos. I've got a lot of ideas of videos I want to make. So do make sure to subscribe and ring that little bell thing. That seems like fun. Until next time though, take care, be a good human, and I'll see you. Bye.